If you are new here, my name is Bridget. The man behind the camera is the Beard.
The Beard.
And in today's video, we're going to be making banana muffins. So come closer as we make the banana muffin. So we have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of mashed bananas, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup milk, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you want to stir together your eggs, milk, oil, and bananas. So egg.
Is that a chicken butt egg or a factory egg?
Factory egg. They're the same. They all come from the chicken's butt.
Well, I know, but we got some straight from the butt and some from the store.
I don't understand him, bro. Just a regular egg. They all come from the same place. So that's 1 egg. Your milk, your 1/3 cup of milk. Your oil, your 1/2 cup of oil. And then your bananas.
Bananas. Monster would cry right now if he's seen a squished up banana.
Might not look appetizing yet, but it will, I promise. So once you give this, a stirry stir, you add your other ingredients, which would be your brown sugar, your salt, and your baking powder. Oh, that I spilled. That's okay though. And we're gonna add some chocolate chips into ours, just to make it a little more fun. You don't have to do that, but you can. Oh, no, we're gonna add nuts, so it's gonna be banana nut muffins. Sorry. I figured it would be chocolate chips, but it's banana nut. And then your flour. 2 cups of flour. Like I said, it wouldn't be baking with me if I didn't make a mess. See? Don't do what I do.
Don't make a mess?
Yeah. And then we're gonna put some walnuts in. You don't have to do this, but we have extra walnuts.
We got to cut them up because they're
These
too big.
They'll be okay.
Okay.
You know, you probably should cut them out, but I'm just not. Oh no, that looks good. You just want to mix it until it's all incorporated. I'm gonna make the Beard do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hold the camera while the Beard mixes the muffins. You can also add chocolate chips. That would be nice too.
Okay. Mixed.
Now we're just going to add them into our already greased muffin tin. This is a 12 count just regular muffin tin. Now, here you go. Do you want to do it or do you want me to?
You do it. So it looks like it's going to be messy.
Oh, I'm sure it will. Ice cream is good.
that enough?
I'm not done yet.
Okay.
I don't know if I want to use this though. I might end up using a regular spoon.
The regular spoon's a good idea.
Huh?
I think the regular spoon's a good idea.
My hands are clean.
They look delicious already.
My boys love bananas. Every grocery haul I've done has bananas in it. Because
Unless we forgot.
Oh, and then we have to go back because they get upset with us if we don't have bananas.
Especially the monster.
I'm gonna make really big banana muffins. I'm sure there's a better way to scoop this out, but you know, it's what it is. But this is all you do to make banana muffins, and then you have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. Don't make a mess like I am. And then you want to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. So I'm going to start mine out at 15 minutes because I do have a brand new oven and I don't want stuff to get burnt. So this is what it looks like. Now we'll check back with you when it's done. Bye. Okay, you guys, so it took about 20 minutes. We checked them at 15, they weren't done. So we checked them at 20 and they're done. This is what they look like, banana nut muffins. Be quick. This is what the kids wanted for breakfast. I had some old bananas that I wanted to use up, so that's what we did. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
Smash it.
It helps my channel. Smash it. Don't forget, smash it. The beard said it first. Smash the subscribe button. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Cat in the box. It's a Binksy. It's a Binksy in a box, guys. Binksy. Okay, sorry. I had to show you the cat in the box. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.